Good evening, children. Welcome back to our online classes. In today's class, we are going to continue chapter 9 with value and life skills. In value and life skills, we are given only one question, okay? And the question is, on a hot summer day, when the temperature was 42 degrees centigrade, Sanha went out at 11 a.m. for shopping. She bought a t-shirt for rupees 700, a game for rupees 350 and a purse for rupees 500. There in the market, in the shop for shopping, she has spent 2 hours, and whereas she returned back from her shopping back to home at 3 p.m. Now, this is the overall information about Sanha's shopping. At what time she has went out for shopping and what time she has returned back home. And along with that, you are given the information about the price of the items that she has bought during her shopping. Now, there are two questions given in this value and life skill. So, what are the two questions? The two questions are, first one is, for how many hours was Sanha outside? And the second question is, how much money did she spend in all? So first let us discuss the first question, for how many hours Sanha spent outside. Children, whenever we want to find for how many hours, this means we are finding the time duration. For finding the time duration, always remember we need the initial time and the final time. Okay, means the starting time and the ending time, the time at which the event started and the time at which the event came to an end. So here we are discussing about shopping of Sanha. So Sanha started from home at 11 a.m. and her shopping, or she came back home at 3 p.m. Now, as per this question, the starting time is 11 a.m. and the ending time is 3 p.m. So, whenever we want to find the time duration, simply we used to subtract the initial time from the final time. So, before subtracting, always remember, if any of the time is given in PM, that is in a second phase of the day of 12-hour time, then always remember we have to convert all the given time into 24 hours time, and then we have to proceed with our calculation. So here, in order to find the time duration, that is how many hours she spent outside, for that what we have to do, we will subtract the initial time from the final time. This is equal to final time minus initial time. Clear? Now, what is our final time? Our final time is 11 a.m. and initial time is 3 p.m. So, first of all, it is the initial time and this is the final time. And first of all, let us convert them into 24-hour time and proceed with the calculation. Here we have final time as 3 p.m. Children, 3 p.m. is how much in 24-hour time? Always remember, when we convert a 12-hour time into 24-hour time, always remember, while converting we will add 12 to the hours part. When the time is in PM, then only we will add the 12 to the hours part. But if the time is in AM, we need not to add any 12 or anything. We have to simply write it as it is. So here you see the final time we have 3. If 3 p.m. If you will add 12 to the hours part, how much you will get? 15. So your timing will be 15:00 hours minus, here 11 a.m. will be 11 hours. Now you subtract them. 15 hours minus 11 hours, you will get how much? 4 hours. Okay. So, from this we came to know that Sanha spent 4 hours outside the home. Okay, next question we have, what is the total money spent by her in her shopping? So, how can we find that money spent by her in the shopping? The money spent by her in the shopping can be found by simply adding the cost price of all the items she has bought. So, she has bought a t-shirt for 700, game for 350 and a purse for rupees 500. So, let us add them and find the total money spent by her. Here, total money spent will be equal to how much? Rupees 700 plus rupees 350 plus rupees 500. Come on. So, we get 0, 5 and here 7, 3, 10, 5, 15. So, how much money did she spend? She spent 1550 rupees in her shopping. Now, apart from this, we have a value-based question at the end of this question. The question is, what all precautions should you take while going out on a hot summer day? Children, in a sunny day or when on a sunny day or during summers when the sun is shining brightly, what we should do? We should never go out after 11 a.m. Okay, because after 11 a.m. the sun shines brightly and you all will be affected by the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now, along with this, you should always keep yourself hydrated by drinking more and more water, juices, fruit juices and juicy fruits. Even you have to eat sufficient food items which are rich in water. Okay, along with this, you should always wear cotton dress or cotton clothes when you go out. And always remember, your clothes should be of full sleeves so that you can protect yourself from the hot and harmful rays of sun. Even when you go out, you should wear a cap and even you can carry a umbrella to protect yourself from the hot and harmful sun rays. Even along with this, you should always carry an extra water bottle to help others, those who are in need of water when you are crossing any place. Okay, so in this way we should always keep ourselves safe and try to help others also who are thirsty during the summer season. So students, I hope you understood this sum as well as you have got the idea about what are the precautions should be taken during the summer season. So, thank you students.